This coffee cake is incredibly soft and buttery, with a thick cinnamon crumb topping that melts in your mouth. Just the perfect thing to enjoy with your morning coffee or afternoon tea. And the best part is that this recipe is very easy to make. First, we'll prepare the crumb topping. Mix until the mixture forms soft crumbs. This crumb topping will give the cake that classic bakery-style texture. This step helps create a soft and fluffy cake texture. Gently mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. This step is optional. Now sprinkle the crumb topping generously over the cake. This is what gives coffee cake its classic look and texture. This simple icing glaze gives the perfect finishing touch to the cake. This coffee cake stays soft for several days when stored in an airtight container. Look at that soft and fluffy texture. If you enjoy soft homemade cakes like this one, be sure to check out my carrot cake and lemon loaf recipes as well.